Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today on How We Cooking Time, we are going to make some delicious coconut curried shrimp with Irish potatoes. So if you want to see how this recipe is done, please stay tuned and let's get straight into the video. So guys, in my bowl I have 1 pound of jumbo shrimp or half a kilo. I have already cleaned them with lime and vinegar. They are already deveined. I'm going to leave the tail on just for a better presentation. Now going to season our shrimp. The first thing I'm going in with is some Scotch bonnet peppers. Going in with half teaspoon of Maggi fish seasoning. Adding half teaspoon of my garlic powder. Going in with half tablespoon of Maggi all-purpose seasoning, adding half teaspoon of black pepper. Guys, you can also add any of your favorite seasoning to your shrimp. Now I'm just going to mix everything together. Getting everything nicely combined. So guys, our shrimp is nicely seasoned. Now we're just going to place it in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes so it can marinate. In the meanwhile guys, I am going to half cook my Irish potatoes just to speed up the process. So guys, these are all the veggies that I am going to use for this dish today. Now guys, it is time to curry our shrimp, but first we're going to burn our curry. So adding 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Then I'm just going to go in with my diced onions. Now adding my ginger and garlic. Going in with my scallions. Also adding my diced garlic. Even though the curry is bursting with flavors, we're just going to add a little more goodness to it. So letting everything saute and infuse into the oil for 1 to 2 minutes on low to medium heat before I add my curry. This will give the curry a better flavor. So guys, after a minute or two, now is the time to add our curry. So this is the brand curry that I'm using. So now I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of my Betapac curry. Just stirring everything together so it can nicely combine, and also to prevent our curry from burning to the point where it gets bitter, because we don't want that, right guys? Now going to add my pimento berries so they can get familiar with all that goodness that is in the pot right now. Now adding my thyme. So guys, my curry is ready. Now going to add my coconut milk. Going in with 2 cups of coconut milk. Now guys, we're going to cover the pot for 3 to 5 minutes. So guys, after 4 minutes, this is how our curry is looking. It is looking so beautiful. Now we're just going to add our Irish potatoes so they can finish cook before we add our shrimp to the pot. Also guys, going to add our other veggies. So I'm going in with my carrots, then going to add my sweet peppers, also adding my Scotch bonnet pepper just to give the pot a bit more flavor. Now going to cover the pot for another 3 minutes on low heat just to get everything nicely combined. So guys, after a total of 3 minutes, now is the time we're going to add our shrimp to our pot. We're just going to lay our shrimp right in our curry bed. So you can also taste your pot to adjust the taste to your liking, where if it needs a bit more salt, you can always add that. Now that we have added our shrimp, we're just going to stir everything together so it can nicely combine. Then we're going to cover the pot for 5 to 7 minutes so our shrimp can cook, but we're not going to overcook our shrimp guys. So we're going to leave it on low to medium heat so that it can cook. So once we see the pink coming from our shrimp, that means our shrimp is ready. So guys, after a total of 5 minutes, we're going to give our shrimp the last stir. So guys, our shrimp is nicely pink. So there you have it guys, our curry shrimp is nicely done. It is all ready and ready to eat. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't done that already. So guys, thank you so much for watching once again. Until I see you next time, bye guys.